This is how to remove a candle wax spill from carpet. What you'll need to do this is a clothing iron and some brown paper bags. Cut the paper bags into strips about as wide as the wax spot. Place the end of the paper strip over top of the wax, cover it with the iron on a low heat setting, then slowly pull the paper strip out from under the iron. Keep repeating this step with new strips of paper until the paper strips are no longer absorbing any wax. Next, you can try applying a little more pressure to the iron tip to try and squeeze and absorb even more wax from the carpet. If the wax is seeped all the way down to the carpet backing, try and groom the carpet tufts into a valley to expose any remaining wax at the base of the tufts. Then, using a paper strip and the iron, once again apply pressure to the iron tip to melt and absorb any remaining wax. A word of caution before trying this at home: make sure your iron is on a low heat setting. Most carpets are made out of a synthetic material like nylon or polyester, and you'll run the risk of melting these fibers with an iron's high heat setting. So my recommendation before trying this at home would be to cut a single tuft from your carpet and place it under your iron for 30 seconds. If the heat setting does not cause any damage to the tuft, then that setting is safe to use on your carpet.